How many times we have seen or heard of a situation like ambulance got stuck in traffic or delayed to reach hospital on time, and many patients die because of delay in getting that medical assistance. So to solve this problem, we have introduced a system called Smart Ambulance or Smart City. So without any further delay, let's get the video started. Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek Khatri and I am going to explain you the working of this project. The other team members in this project are Ashish Sharma, Abhay Vishnoi and Devanshu Vashnik, and we have completed this project under the guidance of Dr. Lal Pratap Verma. The topics that we are going to discuss are introduction, necessity of our project, system specification, working principle, and the modules. Let me start with the introduction. One of the widely affected services due to traffic jams is of an ambulance. Many a times, ambulance having patients in critical situation which needs to be taken to the hospital in minimum amount of time, providing proper treatment to the patient so that the chances of surviving increases in critical condition. Traffic congestion is one of the major factors that causes delay to ambulance and other emergency vehicles. In order to save precious human life, we introduce a system called Smart Ambulance Service System using Intelligent Traffic Control System. The idea behind this is to implement the ITCS, which would control the timings of the traffic light automatically in the path of emergency vehicle with the help of ITCS installed in the traffic signals, integrated with the SAS system installed in the ambulance, along with the GPS, the problems caused due to traffic congestion can be solved to an extent. This scheme has a new dimension and is fully automated. Necessity of our project. Why this project is so necessary? The pace at which the world is developing is very rapid today. The number of vehicles are increasing on the road, which leads to high traffic jams in big cities. Traffic congestion causes many adversary effects on countries' transportation. Also, the number of accidents are increasing, and due to traffic congestion, the ambulance doesn't reach the hospital on time, due to which many patients lost their life because of delay in medical assistance. System specification. The components that we have used in this project are Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega 2560, GPS, RF transmitter and receiver, LEDs, power supply, and the software used are Arduino IDE, Python IDLE, and we have used the language Embedded C and Python to complete this project. Working principle of the project. In proposed system, if a vehicle has met with accident, immediately an alert message with the location coordinates is sent to the control center. From the control center, a message is sent to the nearby ambulance. Also, the signal is transmitted to all the traffic signals in between the ambulance and vehicle location to provide RF communication between ambulance and traffic section. The signal to traffic signal junction is transmitted through RF communication. Let me elaborate it to you with the help of a diagram. As we can see that the ambulance is connected with RF transmitter, which will send the signal to the traffic junction about its arrival, and also it is connected with a GPS to get the live location of the ambulance. And the traffic signal junction is connected with the RF receiver and GPS. The RF receiver will receive the signal from the transmitter and will start the process of converting the signal to green in which the ambulance is moving. And the GPS connected to traffic signal junction will tell the ambulance about the location of traffic signal junction. The microcontroller that is connected with the traffic junction is programmed to manipulate the normal traffic flow to turn the light green in which direction the ambulance is moving, and when ambulance passes the traffic signal, the traffic flow will come to its normal flow. Let's say ambulance is 500 meters away from the traffic signal junction. The microcontroller will start the process of manipulating the normal traffic flow to emergency traffic flow. And after the ambulance passes the junction, it will bring the traffic flow to its normal flow. The modules of our project. Our system consists of three main units which coordinates with each other and make sure that ambulance reaches the hospital without any time lag. Thus, our system is divided into following three units: ambulance unit, traffic unit, and the smart ambulance portal. Ambulance unit. The ambulance unit is connected with the GPS and the RF transmitter along with the Arduino Uno. They are embedded on the Arduino Uno and is connected to the ambulance. The controller finds the nearest hospital to the accident spot and also the shortest path between the ambulance accident spot and the nearest hospital. The controller then sends this path to the ambulance. Also using this information, the controller controls all the traffic signals in the path of ambulance and makes it ready to provide free path to ambulance, which ensures that the ambulance reaches the hospital without delay. At the same time, the ambulance unit turns on the RF transmitter, which will lead to communicate with the traffic junction. Traffic unit. The traffic unit is connected with Arduino Mega 2560, which is then embedded with GPS and RF receiver. As we can see that there are 4 traffic lights. These all are RGB lights. They can glow in 3 colors: green, red and yellow. Each traffic light can glow in these 3 colors. Whenever the signal section receives the information about the accident, the RF receiver section is turned on to search for ambulance near the traffic signal. Whenever the ambulance reaches to the traffic signal, say 300 or 500 meters away, the traffic signal will be made to green through RF communication. Thereby, the ambulance can pass the traffic junction and the ambulance is recommended to reach the hospital in time. Smart Ambulance Portal. This portal is a web-based application. The Smart Ambulance Portal first finds the location of the accident spot. As we can see in the image, these are the accident spots. The first one shows the latitude coordinate of the accident spot. The second one shows the longitude part or the coordinate of the accident spot. Then it will show the nearest hospital to the accident spot, as we can see in that image. Then the coordinates of the accident spot are entered as input in the input box, and when the show hospital button is clicked, it will show all the hospitals nearest to the accident spot. And when a hospital is clicked yes, then we will get the distance of the hospital and also the latitude and longitude coordinates of that hospital. And when the location of the accident spot is entered in the input box and the location of the hospital is entered in another input box, and when we click the show route option, then it will show us the shortest path to the hospital. The point A and B are the shortest path to the hospital that we have selected. This is how our project works. That's it for this video, and thank you so much.